Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Chicken nuggets are a delicious and popular snack that both kids and adults love. Here's a simple recipe for making homemade chicken nuggets. Ingredients: 1 pound, about 450 grams boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 large eggs, beaten. 2 cups breadcrumbs. You can use panko breadcrumbs for extra crunch. Cooking oil, for frying. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken breasts or thighs into bite-sized pieces. Try to make them as uniform in size as possible, so they cook evenly. Set up your coating station. In one shallow dish, mix together the flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. In another dish, beat the eggs until well combined. Finally, place the breadcrumbs in a third dish. Bread the chicken. Take a piece of chicken, coat it in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Then dip it into the beaten eggs, allowing any excess to drip off. Finally, coat it in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently to adhere the breadcrumbs to the chicken. Repeat this process with all the chicken pieces. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or frying pan, add enough cooking oil to cover the bottom to a depth of about 1/2 inch. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. You can also use a deep fryer if you have one. Fry the chicken nuggets. Carefully place the breaded chicken pieces into the hot oil in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the nuggets for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Use tongs to turn them gently. Drain excess oil. Once the chicken nuggets are cooked, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon or tongs and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve and enjoy. Chicken nuggets are best served immediately while they're still hot and crispy. You can serve them with your favorite dipping sauces like ketchup, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, or ranch dressing. These homemade chicken nuggets are sure to be a hit with everyone at the table. Enjoy your delicious snack or meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you the best information I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.